What is up guys, this is Motorola One Power, one of the new smartphone in that market and maybe Motorola fans are looking forward to. It has got a 16 plus 5 megapixel rear cameras, a good 12 megapixel front camera, a good 15.7 centimeter display and definitely a good looking design. Yes, the design is quite inspired from Redmi Note 5 Pro I would say, and in the front the design is inspired from iPhone X. I didn't find that they have invented something different, something new. Yes, the nose definitely looks like an iPhone X, yes it looks like. But you'll get two nano SIM slot cards and an external SD card. At the bottom there is a USB-C, microphone, speakers, and at the top there is a 3.5mm jack. Yes, it has a headphone jack. And guys, the software experience on the smartphone is like Android One straight out of the box with 8.1, and you'll get Android Pie very soon by the end of 2018. I am quite satisfied with what Motorola has done with Motorola One Power. You'll get 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, and there are a bunch of other features. There is no extra skin, there is no extra things, there is no extra bloatwares in the operating system. You'll just see Google apps and couple of Motorola apps, etc. It's done. Right now you can buy this smartphone from Flipkart. If you are interested in Motorola smartphones, then definitely the link is in the description. Go buy it, and do not forget to subscribe, share, like and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Motorola has just tweaked a little bit like a moto actions, chop twice for flashlight, twist for quick resume, Motorola display, and great. Like this one is one of a hell Motorola features, Motorola Moto display. This one is the Motorola features. It's exclusive to Motorola smartphones. And as I told you that at the rear there is a 16 plus 5 megapixel camera, which definitely does something good. It's not the best, I would say. It's above average. Like I'll give 7 out of 10 from my experience. Like I have experienced this smartphone on the experience zone, but I can definitely say for you guys that Motorola has done something good with the pricing too. This phone will cost you around 15,000 rupees, 15,999 rupees, which is great. A beautiful good IPS display covered with Corning Gorilla Glass protection, a good 16 plus 5 megapixel cameras, and yes, stabilization is there, the 4K is there. Yes, it can do something great. Like Motorola hasn't done something new in last few months, but I would say this smartphone has done something great in Motorola's life, or maybe Motorola fans are there out there. The cameras are great. We have tested that camera. Yeah, the focus is not that great on the phone, but yeah, the camera is great. I can consider the lighting was not good at the time when we were shooting with the phone. The performance on the Motorola One Power is definitely cool. As the name suggests, the Motorola One Power, it has a 5000 mAh of battery, which is monstrous battery you can say. Even though the Asus Zenfone Max M1 has a 5000 mAh battery, if you personally like Motorola, then this is for you, because first time Motorola has done something like this. The phone is packed with 5000 mAh battery, 636, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal memory, and headphone jack too. And guys, the Motorola device, the build quality of this smartphone is lit. I personally like the build quality of the phone, but let me tell you guys, for this phone the build quality is great, the camera is okay, the display is great, and the notch is there. Yes, the notch is there. Android One is there, which is just amazing, and there is a 12 megapixel front facing camera with a LED flash. It's win-win situation. You are getting something great for your price segment if you are a Motorola fan. Motorola has something good, and we are here to appreciate that. And Snapdragon 636 is just amazing for this mid-range category. It was unexpected from Motorola, but they did it, and here we are appreciating that. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, peace.